The repair and shipbuilding industry is one of the detailed industries of the shipbuilding industry that performs tasks such as remodeling, repairing, and maintenance of ships. It is a labor-intensive industry with a high employment-inducing effect due to its high dependence on partner companies and manpower compared to other industries. It is also a comprehensive business with a very large chain ripple effect, as it has forward and back relationships with various industries. However, the repair and shipbuilding industry has a very low level of informatization compared to other industries, the absence of berthing facilities, the aging of technical personnel, and consequently high concerns about technology leakage to competing countries. Reflecting the distinctiveness of the repair and shipbuilding industry, which has a high proportion of work complexity and collaboration compared to other industries. There is a need to create a data-based digital work environment that supports prompt information sharing and decision-making by all stakeholders and optimizes the ship repair process. The Integrated Repair and Shipbuilding Support System is an SaaS-type cloud service that provides an information service environment necessary for the industry, from order receipt, ordering, external leakage, and settlement tasks required for the supply of ship supplies and ship repair industry. In addition, the RESTful API service of the Integrated Information System for Repair and Shipbuilding Support provides external linkage functions with high elasticity and stability. Through WBS-based Knowledge Bank, organic collaboration is possible considering high manpower and outsourcing dependence. Among them, the Repair and Shipbuilding Business Support Service supports the optimization of the overall repair and shipbuilding business, including sales management, such as request for quotation, estimate, purchase order, order receipt management, and standard WBS-based repair process management. The Repair and Shipbuilding Business Support Service can derive prompt and reasonable decision-making from multiple stakeholders by linking various systems, services, and platforms, such as inspection support and rental equipment management system. The Shipwork platform is a comprehensive information portal system that supports the digital transformation of the ship service industry. Through a cloud environment, it minimizes the cost of using the company's infrastructure and provides prompt services. Users of the platform can use high-level services while experiencing a digital environment, such as web-based comfortable work, easy communication between suppliers and consumers, and visualization of information. This WBS-based Repair and Shipbuilding Business Support Service platform manages the entire business by dividing it into detailed components and provides screen configuration and functions that minimize unnecessary steps and information and functions optimized for each user's purpose of use. Therefore, it enables easy operation and management of various repair shipbuilding tasks. In addition, Repair and Shipbuilding Business Support supports efficient and effective customer service by providing work schedule and weather information, work schedule management, work order confirmation, and work history management services through a smartphone app.